Hello Corkies, it is the end of our fall cocktail series and I wanted to send us off with something that's perfect for Thanksgiving. I'm making you the Thanksgiving Tequila Cocktail. Stick around for the recipe and how to do it. Hello everybody, welcome back to Cork and Java, where your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages. Make sure you guys hit subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified when all our future videos come out. So this one is, I thought, a perfect cocktail for Thanksgiving. It has cranberry juice, which I think is the perfect transition fruit from Thanksgiving to Christmas. I feel like you see it in stores a lot more, like the actual cranberry fruits. So I figured this would be a good Thanksgiving cocktail. And so here's what you're gonna need. Simple syrup. This is just equal parts water and sugar. Some tequila of your choosing. I have the cranberry juice. You could also use the cranberry pomegranate, whatever your preference is. Just get some juice cocktail, or juice, not juice cocktail, juice. Some bitters. I am going with the orange bitters, but you could certainly just use the regular. You'll need some cinnamon, some sugar for your rim, and some club soda if you want to top it. I am also going to need a cocktail shaker because we're going to shake this up, and a shot glass if you need for measuring. So I'm just going to get this wet so the cinnamon sugar will stick to this. So I just have a little bit of granulated sugar in here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just going to do a little dash of cinnamon in there and then just shake it, mix it in, and then coat the rim. And you don't have to do this. This, I think, gives it a little bit of extra sweetness, but and it makes it look extra fancy. So ta-da, there you go. And then what you'll do is put ice in here, and then ice in your cocktail shaker. You're gonna just shake everything over the ice and then pour it over top. So let me grab some ice. All right, back with my ice. So what's next is throwing everything in the cocktail shaker and shaking it up. So here we go. I've got the cranberry juice. This is not empty. All right, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of this. 2 ounces of my tequila. Use whatever your preferred brand is. All right, I'm gonna do 2 or 3 dashes of my orange bitters. I'm gonna do just a little dash of cinnamon, and I'll do about an ounce of the simple syrup. Okay, then we'll shake and strain it over the ice. Okay. And we'll just top with a little bit of the club soda, give a little bit of a fizz. All right, so let's test this out. Oh, I love it. I know people don't really think of tequila as being a very Thanksgiving-ish liquor, but it complements the cranberry juice great, and there's just a touch of sweetness from the cinnamon sugar that you get on the rim of the glass, and that you get mixed in with the simple syrup and the dash of cinnamon in there. What do you think, Belle?
It's very good. It's very refreshing too. If you're in a warm climate for Thanksgiving, it'd be perfect.
Definitely. And this isn't like, wow, crazy bold like flavor. This is like very like easy sipping. Drink this while you're making your turkey and all your Thanksgiving sides and stuff. You're not gonna get hammered and be like, whoa, tapped out from all the sweetness of maybe like the Fireball one that we did, or a different one. Like this is it's much more like subtle and refined flavors that are working together, and not like an in-your-face like, whoa.
I think
Town.
I think that club soda helps to, make sure it's a little bit more light.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and like I said, you can choose not to add the club soda or not. I think it gives it a little bit of extra fizz and bubble that is great for this cocktail. Make sure that you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up so you see my face and Billy's face elsewhere on YouTube. Make sure that you guys find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and on Instagram. There's great content and a great community in all those places. And make sure that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving wherever you may be, with whomever you may be with. I hope that 2020 Thanksgiving is not a wash. I hope that you guys can be with people that you love and go into this holiday season with some optimism and with some love and with some tequila. Looking forward to seeing you guys online. So until next time, bottoms up.